1, 2, 3, come on.
Hello, beautiful people. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. You are watching Iruka's World. Yeah, today I'll be showing you guys how I do my home remedy. Yes, the immune system booster. That's what I'll be showing you guys how I prepare. Okay, because we need to boost our immune system to fight flu, diseases, and virus out there. Okay. Yeah, so and today these are the ingredients I'll be using to prepare this home remedy, the immune system booster. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to present to you guys the ingredients right now. Okay, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe if you've not done that already, and hit the notification bell so that I get notified anytime I upload new video. Today, you can see the ingredients here. I'll be using ginger. Ginger is used to reduce muscle pain, joint pains, and stiffness. It's used to regulate blood sugar and improve heart diseases. It is used to treat chronic indigestion, menstrual pain, and to prevent cancer. It can also be used to fight infections. Okay, yeah, and I have my, that is all about the ginger that I'll be using. The next ingredient I'll be using to prepare this home remedy is garlic. Okay, yes, I'll be using garlic, and garlic can be used to reduce blood pressure and to combat common cold and flu. Yeah, and I'll be using mint too. Mint can be used to treat cold. It helps to clear congestion in the nose, throat, and lungs. Yeah, you can equally use mint to treat headache. Yes, and to take care of your oral care. Yeah, so that your breath can be freshened. Yes, and if you want to reduce your weight, okay, you can be introducing mint into your water or into your dishes. Okay, yeah. And the next ingredient I'll be using is my lemon. Yes, I have 2 lemons there. All these ingredients are already washed. Yeah, and lemon is an excellent source of vitamin C, which is antioxidant, which help to remove free radicals that can damage cells from the body. Vitamin C can help to prevent diseases and boost health and your general well-being. It's used in lowering the risk of stroke. It can be used to lower blood pressure, prevent cancer, maintain healthy complexion. Yes, to have this glowing skin, you need to introduce lemon to your diet, okay? And to prevent asthma, to increase iron absorption, and to boost your immune system. All right, vitamin C is quite very important. We need to always try to introduce vitamin C to our meal. Okay, it helps to strengthen the immune system against germs that causes common cold and flu. All right, and if you are into weight, you want to watch your weight, yes, lemon can be very good. Yeah, thank you so much. And right now I'm cutting, trying to slice the whole stuffs to my desired shape and size. There is no particular way to do that. Okay, just cut it to any shape or size you want. And here I have my water already, boiling. I have 1 liter of water here, and I'm introducing the whole stuff inside the water, and I will cover it and I will allow it to cook for 15 minutes. Okay, after 15 minutes, this is what we have. Woo! Oh my god. Yes, guys, you guys need to try this out, okay? And when you try it out, please let me come back and tell me in the comment section. All right, the immune system booster drink is ready. Yeah, you need to drink, we need to be drinking this often. All right, for me, almost during winter, I love taking this almost every day. Okay, at least I take it 3 times in a week during winter. All right, yeah, and this is the one I'm going to take right now. Okay, I'm going to seal it. Yeah. Yeah, this is the one I'll be taking right now. Is very, very hot. Oh my goodness. And I'll be adding a teaspoon of honey to it, okay, to add taste. We all equally know honey is very, very good to combat cold and flu. Yes, our immune system drink is ready. Guys, just go and try this out. This is, anything I show you guys on my channel, that is what I've been doing, and I've seen results. That is why I'm sharing it with you guys. I believe it can help somebody out there. Share the video, tell your friends, share it. If you are in any group, share it. It can be a blessing to somebody out there. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Don't go anywhere. Keep watching. Here I am with my immune system booster. Okay, it helps to combat cold and flu. All right, so you guys go and check, go and try this out. Okay, during winter you need to be drinking this drink, not just the way, because where I stay during winter, there is always a lot of cold and all that, flu around and all that. Okay, just try this tea and get back to me and tell me what you think. I'm going to drink. Cheers. Yeah, it's not tasting good, and it's not tasting bad either. Yeah, because I put a little honey. This is really a little bit hot. Okay, I'm going to take my time to be drinking it. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you again in my next video. Till then, let your light so shine that men will see and give glory to God. Amen. Bye. God bless you.